In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Klaviyo. We'll walk through this step by step inside the Klaviyo dashboard so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a brand new list that you can use for email campaigns, automations, or any other audience targeting. First, go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your account performance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different areas. For now, we're going to focus on the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left sidebar, look for the section labeled Audience. Click on Audience, and a submenu will expand. From there, choose Lists and Segments. This is where all of your contact groups live, whether they're static lists or dynamic segments. After you've opened Lists and Segments, you'll see a page showing any existing lists or segments you may already have. To create a new one, look toward the top right corner of the page for a button that says Create List or Segment. Go ahead and click that button. This opens a window that asks what type of audience group you want to create. Here, you'll be given a choice between creating a list or a segment. For this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on creating a list, so select List. A list in Klaviyo is a static collection of contacts, which is great for things like newsletter subscribers, leads from a specific form, or customers from a particular campaign. Once you've selected List, you'll be prompted to enter a name. Take a moment to choose a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you might use something like newsletter subscribers, VIP customers, or summer campaign leads. Good naming habits will save you time as your account grows and you start working with more and more audiences. After typing in your list name, double-check that everything looks good and then click the Create List button. Klaviyo will create the new list and take you to its main page, where you'll eventually be able to add subscribers, connect sign-up forms, or use it in your flows and campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully created a new list in Klaviyo, and you're ready to start organizing your audience and sending targeted messages.